I started this process after a good rain the day before, so the weeds come out root and all. Right here I sped up the process of me taking the weeds out because there was cactus hidden inside the weeds that you'll soon see. That got me pretty good. This is what I'm dealing with. Cactus. It's the size of those weeds that I'm pulling. Blends in. Got me. The reason why I'm pulling out these weeds by hand instead of using like a hoe or something is that I gotta pull them out by the roots. And I notice when I pull them out by the roots, they won't come back no more. But if you don't and you get them with the hoe, they're gonna grow back up and then they're gonna seed and start all over again. Here's the garden down. Closing the top so the cats won't get in there. Looks better than what it was. There's all the garden. The part I'm working out on is back here along this fence line. So it's gonna be like a big old L. So I need to clear all the way out to that tree back there. Over to the fence. This video is just to give you an idea of what I had to go through to clear out this spot so the weeds don't grow back and it can be cleared out for gardening purposes. It does take some time to do this process. That's why I had to speed it up so you won't get bored, but it had to be done so the weeds don't grow back so I could have a good sunny spot to work with. Got the spot cleared out now. Just gotta get all this cactus out. It's a big area. All the way back there.